Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to my channel. So in previous videos we had a discussion of ChatGPT and how the ChatGPT is going to work, and also some different versions of ChatGPT, and what are the 10 amazing things what ChatGPT can do for us. Okay, now in this video today I am going to teach by using ChatGPT we are going to do one of the project. By using the ChatGPT today we are going to do the one of the project, that is we are going to create a new game. See, project is creating a new game by using the ChatGPT. Okay, now let us launch ChatGPT. Double click onto the web browser, that is Google Chrome. See here, there is a Google Chrome. Launch the web browser. See, once we launch the web browser, you can observe here on the address bar type www.chatgpt.com. You can type www.chatgpt.com, or else you can. I already favorite list is there. Just I'll click on that. Okay, now this is the interface of ChatGPT. Okay, already we discussed in the previous videos. See all these interface and what are the components, all these we have had a discussion in the previous videos. Okay, now in this video, as I told here, I am going to teach how we are going to create one game by using the ChatGPT. See, that means the ChatGPT is going to create a new game. If you want to create this game, we are going to ask the code from the ChatGPT. See, that is we are going to ask the code of HTML. See, by using HTML code today we are going to create a game. See, HTML is nothing but hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language, that only we are going to call it as HTML. See, HTML is nothing but hypertext markup language. See, we are using HTML language to create our web pages. See, about HTML in upcoming videos, we will come to know in deep about HTML. Now, here I am going to use ChatGPT for creating a new game by using the ChatGPT. Okay, what? See, this is one of the project. See, now what I am going to do? Just I am going to ask ChatGPT to write a code from the HTML to create a new game or generate a new game. Oh, what? So what we are going to do here? Simply come back to the chatting section. That is, now start to ask ChatGPT. That is, create a, okay, sorry, type a code or generate a code. Generate a code to create a new game. Okay, just I'm going to give basic game. Here we will see what type of game the ChatGPT is going to choose now. Okay, after giving the keywords, that is generate a code to create a new game. Here I'm going to mention as generate a code of HTML. Okay, of HTML to create a new game. Okay, once we give the keyword, simply click on send button. Okay, now you can observe the magic is going to be start. Now the magic is going to be start on the screen. Now within fraction of second, the ChatGPT is going to write a code, or it is going to generate a code for the new game by using the HTML language. See, by using this HTML language, we are going to create one new game. The ChatGPT, it will take a few seconds, then it will start to write the code for the new game. Wait for a while. Now you can see the magic is started. Okay, now the ChatGPT is started to write a program of HTML. See here, doc type HTML. It is writing a program of HTML. You can observe. See here, if you don't know to write the code, or if you don't know to write a program, no need to worry. The ChatGPT is going to make everything easy. See, only if we have the knowledge to use the ChatGPT, that's enough for us. If we not if we not knowing the code, or if we not knowing the program, okay, we no need to worry at all. The everything, see the magic, how the magic is going to be within a fraction of second, how the ChatGPT is going to be generate a HTML program to create a new game. See now, once the code completes, see that too, it is a long program. See, being a programmer, if you want to create this program, at least minimum it will take more than 1 to 2 hours. But here you can observe the magic within a fraction of seconds. See, not even 1 minute also. The still the ChatGPT is writing or generating a HTML program to generate a game. Okay, wait for a while, let it complete. Once the program completes, just we are going to copy the program, then we are going to execute by using the one of the text editable software, that is Notepad. See, under Notepad we are going to edit. Notepad we are using text editable software. By using this Notepad software, we are execute this program. Okay, still the program is generating. Once the program is generated, until it generate, wait. See, all this, I am not a professional code writer. I am not a any code programmer. Just I don't have any. Okay, I have a little bit knowledge of the coding here. By using this knowledge, just I am going to ask ChatGPT. Not only me, even you can also use the ChatGPT in this way to create your own projects. Not only a game. Already in the previous videos, what we have discussed, we are using ChatGPT to make 10 amazing things. That is, you can create a story, you can create song, you can create musics, then we can create presentation within a fraction of second, and also it will help us in the studies, and also it will create images. See, whatever we require, the chat gpt is ready to create for us. Okay, now you can observe, now the program or the code is ready on my screen. Okay, now what I'm going to do here, so you can observe from here. See, it's a such a long program. The ChatGPT is created within a minute. See, within a minute, the ChatGPT has created a new code for the creating new game. See, here you can observe HTML program. Here the type is HTML. Okay, then you can observe. Okay, these are the HTML elements. That is means we are going to call it as tags. HTML head, then meta by using the meta tag, then title we are going to give it as dot the metros HTML canva. Then see, all these are by using these elements, that is tags. See, tag is nothing but whatever the content we are going to use on the HTML, we are going to call it as tags. Okay, by using these tags, we are going to create HTML program. So you can observe here there are so many tags has been used in this program. See, h1 is nothing but heading. Then okay, see, you can observe the program or the code is ready. Now what I'm going to do, just I'm going to copy the code. See, here there is a option copy. Here there is a option copy. So simply click on the copy code. See, the code has been copied now. Okay, minimize, then come back onto the desktop. Then here you open Notepad. Click onto the search tab, then type Notepad. So as soon we type Notepad, the Notepad is going to be appear onto the top of the window. Click on the Notepad. Say okay. Once we open Notepad, the default is going to be open like this. Uh, if you not open any files, default it is going to be open empty Notepad. So if it is open like this, simply click on File. Under File, click on New Window. See, now as soon as I click onto the new window, the new file or new window is going to be open. Okay, already have copied the code from the chat GPT. Simply right click onto the notepad, then click onto the paste. Okay, see, now just whatever the program I have copied or whatever the code I have copied from the chat GPT, just I have pasted onto the notepad interface. Okay, now after pasting, just go to file and click on save as and give the name as game. or give name as new game dot html. So this is the extension of HTML. So if you save in .html extension, then only it is going to be converted into the web pages. Until or unless if you not give the HTML, it will be a default text that is not going to be converted to the HTML. Now, okay, once we give .html extension, select the location that is where you want to save. See here, I am going to save it as. See, these are the location where we are going to save. Here I am going to choose it as desktop. Okay, now just you select the location desktop. So here I'm going to choose the location desktop, then here I'm going to click on save. Okay, once we save, just you close the interface of notepad, then you come back onto the desktop. So here you can observe already whatever the name you have given, that is new game. So new game.html, it has been converted into the web page by using the whatever web browser I am using in my computer, that is Microsoft Edge. By using this Microsoft Edge web browser, it has been converted into the web page. Okay, now what I'm going to do, simply click on the whatever the web page has been converted onto the or created onto the desktop. Simply click on that new game.html web page. See here I'm going to click on new game.html web page. Then we are going to choose the web browser. Just one you select, then you can see the magic is going to be start now. See now the new game interface has been started here, or it is going to be up here. So here you can see an interface of new game dot the meters. Now here you can observe score, high score, level, and meters. Then there is a start, pause, restart. By using this option, and also you can see some of the instruction is there. See, by using arrow keys, that is A and D, we can move on. Then touch screen, tap left and right side of canvas, avoid meters, score increases with survival time. See, these are the tips given from the ChatGPT for the game. Okay, now let us start the game. How the game is going to be played onto the screen now. Okay, simply click on the start button. You can observe the magic now. Yeah, so you can observe now by using the arrow keys. We are going to see, just we are going to move, or we are going to escape from whatever the from top, whatever the things are falling, we are escaping from that particular thing. See, and also you can observe here. See in this particular see, okay, now the game over. The reason why the game over here, see, because here this is the level 1 score. We have means I have scored 324. Okay, once again I'll show. Okay, click on, okay, click on okay. Once again I'll show here. Okay, it is started now by using arrow key. Okay, now level 1 you can observe automatically the level is going to be changed. Okay, once again wait for a while. Okay, once again I'll click from beginning. You can observe, see now the level 1 is there here. Okay, pause, just I paused. You can observe, see here level 1 and score 42, and keep on observing this. Automatically the level is going to be changed. Okay, now simply click on to the start. Okay, you can observe level, how the level is going to be changed. Okay, one certain time is there, a certain time if we cross, it is going to be converted into the level 2. And if he touches that particular thing for the green object, the whatever the orange objects are falling down, if the orange object touches the green object, the game is going to be over. See now the level 3. See, now you can observe level 3, it has come to level 3. Okay, if we keep on playing like this, the levels will be increasing, and the whatever the things falling, whatever the objects are falling from the top, it is the speed also it is going to be more. So in this way, by using the chat gpt, we are going to create a new game by using the html program. I hope you have understood how we are going to create a new game by using the chat gpt by using the html program. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thank you.